Hello and welcome to BDM Biology. Today we're going to be discussing the feeding and digestion of Ascaris Lumbricoides, a common intestinal parasite found in humans. Now the question we'll be answering is, where is the reserved food in Ascaris Lumbricoides stored? Is it in the 1. Muscles, 2. Intestine, 3. Epidermis, 4. All of these. This question was asked in the Rajasthan Public Service Commission Assistant Professor exam in 2016. Let's start with how Ascaris Lumbricoides feeds. It primarily feeds on the blood, tissue exudates, and partially or fully digested food of its host. This is accomplished through the suctorial action of the pharynx, which draws in food. Once the food has been ingested, the process of digestion begins in the intestinal lumen, aided by the enzymes such as proteases, amylase, and lipase that are secreted by gland cells in the pharynx. After the digestion of nutrients, they are absorbed into the intestinal wall and then distributed by the pseudocoelomic fluid. Any excess food that remains is stored in reserve as glycogen and fat, and this storage occurs in multiple locations throughout the body, including the intestinal wall, muscles, and syncytial epidermis. It's interesting to note that some intracellular digestion also occurs in the cells of the intestinal wall, as they engulf solid particles to digest them intracellularly. Finally, any undigested wastes are defecated out by the contraction of special muscles of the rectum through the anus or cloaca. So, to answer the original question, reserved food in Ascaris Lumbricoides is stored in multiple locations throughout the body, including the muscles, intestine, and epidermis. Thank you for joining us in this educational video on the feeding and digestion of Ascaris Lumbricoides. We hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like and share this video if you found it informative and helpful. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content like this. Thank you for watching BDM